This is a really great school for not just undergraduate, but your graduate degree as well. And I chose the Masters of Athletic Training program at Green Bay because I did my undergraduate here in human biology with exercise science. I'm also a student athlete, so working with athletes was an easy population for me to connect with and understand where their injuries were coming from and their passion and drive to go back to their sport. Some of the things I really like about my professors is that they're very knowledgeable about the field of athletic training. They're very approachable and they share a lot of knowledge that they experienced while they were athletic trainers in the field as well. My favorite thing about the program is the hands-on skills that we learn in lab and then applying them out in our clinical rotations. We learn how to cast, there's a lot of treatment and rehab exercises that we learn. We do evaluations on concussions, we've learned to use ultrasound and heat and stim machines as well. Our rotations take us to a high school setting, collegiate setting, and clinical setting. This helps us to decide which career path we would like to best pursue. There are a lot of different options for athletic trainers, and this is becoming a more diverse field to work in where they're not just seen in sports medicine. My dream job in athletic training would be to work as a physician extender in whichever field that might lead to. I want to use these tools and resources in a clinical setting to help all patients that come my way. I am Phoenix proud because of the opportunities that Green Bay has given me. The smaller class sizes has really made a difference in my learning and education, which has helped drive my success for athletic training.